Friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own homemade popcorn. Friends, to make a popcorn we need a clean saucepan, we need a clean big pot. So the first ingredients there we're going to be using butter. You can get any butter of your choice, and you can see apply that butter there. And we need the second ingredient is going to be vegetable oil. You can get any oil you want, any oil of your choice. That is vegetable oil. So guys, we need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. So shovel the butter and the vegetable oil to be able to combine properly. So guys, allow the vegetable oil and the butter to melt away. Keep your eyes on it. And the next step now at this stage is going to be my popcorn. The popcorn there is just equivalent of 3 tablespoons. So apply that together, stirring it with your wooden or spatula, any comfortable things for really your hand is really comfortable with. Stirring it together to soak with the vegetable oil and the butter in order for you to get a good taste. So we need the lid, cover it and let it pop away. Stirring it again, shovel it and leave it for. Drop the heat down to low heat and allow the popcorn to start popping. Yeah guys, until there's no noise, as you can see at this point there's no noise again, and then you want to turn it over. Friends, you can see how quick it is, so it doesn't take time at all. Within 4-5 minutes your caramel popcorn is ready. I will go ahead. So guys, the trick to make a perfect caramel I don't know, the perfect way to make a caramel is to get everything ready, everything you need. You have to make sure they are in order. You get them ready, or else you're going to be shoving around, and when you are running around it's going to be very cracked and you are not going to like it. Okay, this is how I make my perfect caramel. So this is 210 sugar, and here I have 100 milligram of water and have a tablespoon of butter. So the first ingredients we're going to be adding into the saucepan is going to be sugar, castor sugar, 210 milligram of sugar, followed by 100 gram of water, and you are going to leave it for a while to 10 to 5 minutes to melt. You can't shake this, and you have to put the temperature of your electric cooker to low temperature, to very lower warm temperature. So guys, at this point you cannot stir it, you can shovel it around like what I just did now, and you just have to leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and keep your eyes on the caramel. And you have to lower your gas to lower warm temperature, and you just have to leave it to keep bubbling. So guys, it's starting bubbling away. You guys just leave it to bubbling away, and in that stage, at this point guys, you need to have your cooking brush with you with ordinary water. What I'm going to be doing with that, guys, sorry my kids, they're just awake, you can be hear some funny noise. So guys, you just tap, and what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to get rid of all the sugar around the saucepan. So you can go ahead and do the same thing. So you can shovel it around as well, and keep close eyes to this guys, okay, and get burned quickly. So guys, as you can see, it doesn't even really take a long time, it doesn't even really take a lot of time. As you can see, it's turning color now, and
you have to really keep your eyes on it. You keep your eyes, you keep washing. You don't have to stir in it until we get that amber color. So guys, as you can see, it's turned to amber color. This is what I really want, and you can go ahead and do the same thing. You have to turn off the electric cooker, and then we're going to be adding the butter. I used to shift it. What I do there, I shift it away, and I'm going to be adding my butter, and it's going to be fizzy at this time. Don't worry, keep stirring it until it cool down. So this is how we make caramel. So keep stirring, guys. I use four hands to actually hold the ring lights. So at this point as well, you can add a little pinch of salt if you wish. If you wish, you can add a pinch of salt, but I don't really like it. It's the homemade caramel, so I'm going to go ahead and add this with the popcorn. Go ahead and do the same thing. Add everything to your popcorn. Go ahead and do the same thing. So guys, this is how it looks. So I've washed my hands, kids. So I've washed my hands, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute it for my children. So for Mother's Day, we're going to be washing their plates. Share the children, the family in their plates today with popcorn. So you can go ahead and make the same thing for Mother's Day. It doesn't take long. Within 4 or 5 minutes, guys, you're going to make it, and the goodness, you can keep it in the room temperature for tomorrow or for later. So the kids love this. Their mouth is very so. Guys, I actually make this under 2 or 3 euro. So there's still a lot to remain. So guys, as you can see, we still have a lot, so I'm going to keep this for later. You can't keep this in the fridge, you have to leave it in the room temperature, guys. It looks so nice. So let me know what you think. Do you guys like it? How do you really make it step by step? Please don't skip any video. Please don't skip any of the videos, so that you'll be able to get the gist.
So guys, this is the end. I'm going to leave you with this, guys. Please let me know what you think. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Share this video and stay blessed.